If you wanted to know how to achieve this natural looking side part frontal wig from Amazon, just keep watching. The link for this wig will also be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking is a slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. No room to judge. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. You know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby,
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. Took the roof off the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let it sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cuts have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, we taking lives. I'm trying to buy you some Chanel's, what's your size, yeah. Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah. We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push through your zip, I swear the bomb is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah. 100k off my Nikes, all love for the white, yeah. She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah. Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't going Buddha grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, this shit you'll never see. Power of the mind, young black and bust quick with most kids. Wear handcuffs before cufflinks. 3-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cufflinks. Naked white women villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties. She's staring at my Cuban jewelry, ain't a biggie. I'm glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown.
Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social medias at Sincerely Raven.